You are watching AliAziz Quality Education YouTube channel.
Aviation Legislation in BSc Aircraft Maintenance Engineering Technology, AMET, by AliAziz Quality Education.
AliAziz Quality Education channel, providing you the aviation industry-related videos. So don't forget the subscription button.
Aviation legislation is a core subject in the BSc Aircraft Maintenance Engineering Technology, AMET, program. It provides students with essential knowledge of international and national rules, regulations, and legal frameworks that govern the aviation industry. Understanding aviation legislation is critical to ensure safety, compliance, and effective decision-making in aircraft maintenance and operations. Objectives of studying aviation legislation: to understand the legal environment of civil aviation, to familiarize students with regulatory authorities like ICAO, EASA, FAA, and national civil aviation bodies, to study the standards and procedures involved in aircraft maintenance and safety, to ensure compliance with legal practices during aircraft maintenance tasks. Major topics covered: international regulatory bodies, ICAO, International Civil Aviation Organization, role in global aviation, annexes and standards and recommended practices, SARPs, EASA, European Union Aviation Safety Agency, and FAA, Federal Aviation Administration. Their functions, structure, and key regulations. IATA, International Air Transport Association. Commercial and operational guidelines in aviation. 2. Civil Aviation Act and national legislation. Structure and responsibilities of national aviation authorities, NAA. Airworthiness and operational regulations. Approval of organizations, Part 145, Part 147, Part 21, Part 66. 3. Aircraft maintenance regulations. Part 145, Approved Maintenance Organizations, AMO. Part 66, Aircraft Maintenance Personnel Licensing. Part 147, Training Organizations and Requirements. Part 21, Certification of Aircraft and Related Products. 4. Safety Regulations. Safety Management Systems, SMS. Human Factors and Regulatory Impact. Mandatory Occurrence Reporting. Accident Investigation Procedures. 5. Legal Responsibilities and Accountability. Engineers' legal responsibilities in maintenance. Documentation and record keeping. Airworthiness directives, ADs, and service bulletins, SBs. Contractual obligations and liabilities. Importance for AMET students. Helps students understand the importance of compliance in aircraft maintenance. Prepares them for licensing examinations, like EASA Part 66. Builds awareness of legal consequences of negligence or noncompliance. Enhances employability by aligning knowledge with international standards. Career impact. Professionals with strong understanding of aviation legislation can work effectively as licensed aircraft maintenance engineers, LA. Compliance monitoring officers. Quality assurance inspectors. Safety managers. Regulatory auditors. Conclusion. Aviation legislation is a vital pillar in the AMET curriculum. It ensures that future engineers not only possess technical expertise but also have a comprehensive understanding of the laws and regulations that maintain safety in the skies. Mastery of aviation legislation guarantees that maintenance professionals are responsible, accountable, and legally compliant throughout their careers.